To make a journal entry in QuickBooks Online, start by navigating to the Accounting menu and selecting the Make Journal Entries option. A journal entry is a way to record a transaction that does not involve a customer or vendor, such as adjusting an account balance or correcting a prior entry. When making a journal entry, you will need to specify the date of the transaction, the accounts affected, and the debit and credit amounts. Debits increase asset accounts and decrease liability and equity accounts, while credits do the opposite. Begin by selecting the date of the journal entry, which should be the date the transaction occurred. Next, choose the accounts you want to affect, using the drop-down menus to select the correct accounts. For example, if you want to record a transfer of funds from one account to another, you would debit the account the funds are coming from and credit the account the funds are going to. Be sure to enter the correct debit and credit amounts, as these must be equal in order for the journal entry to be balanced. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click Save to record the journal entry. It is a good idea to review your journal entries regularly to ensure accuracy and catch any mistakes. It is also important to note that journal entries should be used sparingly, as they can be complex and may require professional accounting knowledge. However, when used correctly, journal entries can be a powerful tool for managing your company's finances and ensuring the accuracy of your financial records. By following these steps and best practices, you can use journal entries to effectively manage your company's finances and maintain accurate financial records in QuickBooks Online.